Imagine a future where a robot in your home can cook your meals, clean your house, organize your clothes, and even assist you with daily tasks just like a human assistant. While companies around the world are developing humanoid robots, Tesla's Optimus is aiming to become one of the most advanced and practical robots ever created. Recently, comparisons have emerged between Tesla Optimus and advanced Chinese humanoid robots. While both sides are making impressive progress, the real question is, which robot will become the true everyday assistant for humans? According to Elon Musk, future versions of Optimus could become one of Tesla's biggest products ever. He has suggested that Optimus Gen 4 and Gen 5 could eventually reach production numbers far beyond Tesla's vehicles, with millions of units being built every year. Musk believes that humanoid robots will not just work in factories, but will become part of everyday life. A personal Optimus robot could help people with household chores, support elderly family members, and handle dangerous or repetitive jobs. One of the biggest challenges for any humanoid robot is performing tasks that seem simple for humans, but are extremely difficult for machines. Cooking is a perfect example. Preparing a meal requires vision, coordination, decision-making, and precise hand movements. A human can open a refrigerator, identify ingredients, pick up delicate objects, control cooking temperatures, and complete multiple steps without thinking. For a robot, every single action must be learned and performed accurately. Tesla has been working to improve Optimus' ability to understand and interact with the real world. Future versions are expected to use advanced AI systems that allow the robot to learn from demonstrations, videos, and simulated environments before performing tasks in real life. This means Optimus could watch someone prepare a recipe, understand the sequence of actions, practice those movements digitally, and eventually perform the task itself. Cooking is only one example. Household assistance is where humanoid robots could have the biggest impact. Imagine coming home after a long day and finding that your robot assistant has already prepared dinner, cleaned the kitchen, and organized your home. Tasks that normally take hours could be completed automatically. Elon Musk has repeatedly stated that robots and artificial intelligence could completely transform the future of work. He has even suggested that a world with advanced AI and robots could make traditional employment optional because machines would handle many necessary tasks. However, this vision also raises important questions. If robots become capable of doing household jobs, factory work, and other tasks, what happens to human workers? Some people worry that robots like Optimus could replace millions of jobs, especially roles involving repetitive or physically demanding work. Musk has openly acknowledged this possibility, saying AI and robotics will dramatically change the way humans work. But Tesla argues that the goal is not simply replacing people. Instead, robots could remove dangerous and boring tasks, allowing humans to focus on more creative and valuable activities. The key factor that will decide Optimus' success is not just movement or appearance. It is the ability to understand the world, learn new skills, and safely interact with humans. This is why Tesla is focusing heavily on improving the robot's AI brain, hands, and real-world capabilities. A robot that can walk is impressive, but a robot that can truly help people is the real breakthrough. And according to Elon Musk, that is exactly what future generations of Optimus are designed to achieve. One of the biggest breakthroughs for Optimus is expected to come from its hands and dexterity. Human hands are incredibly complex, with the ability to perform thousands of different movements with precision and control. For a humanoid robot, creating hands that can match human abilities is one of the hardest engineering challenges. A robot may be able to walk, lift heavy objects, or move quickly, but everyday tasks require much more than strength. Picking up an egg without breaking it, folding clothes, opening containers, or handling fragile items all require advanced control and intelligence. Tesla has been focusing heavily on solving this problem. Future Optimus generations are expected to feature more advanced robotic hands with improved sensors, better movement, and greater precision. These improvements could allow the robot to perform tasks that previous robots simply could not handle. Laundry is another example of a surprisingly difficult household task. For humans, washing clothes seems simple, but for a robot, it requires many different skills. First, Optimus would need to identify different types of clothing, separate colors, understand different materials, and decide how each item should be handled. Then it would need to load the washing machine, measure detergent, remove wet clothes, and finally fold them properly. Folding clothes is especially challenging because every piece of clothing has a different shape, texture, and size. A robot must understand how to adjust its movements depending on whether it is folding a shirt, a towel, or a pair of jeans. With advanced AI training, Tesla believes Optimus could learn these tasks by watching demonstrations and practicing in virtual environments before applying them in the real world. This learning ability could become one of Tesla's biggest advantages. Instead of programming every single movement manually, Optimus could improve through artificial intelligence and shared knowledge between robots. If one Optimus robot learns a new task, that information could potentially be transferred to thousands or millions of other robots in the future. Elon Musk believes this scalability could make Optimus one of the largest products in history. He has predicted that Tesla could eventually produce tens of millions of humanoid robots, possibly reaching production numbers far beyond electric vehicles. Tesla's advantage comes from its existing technology ecosystem. The company already builds advanced electric vehicles that contain many of the same technologies needed for humanoid robots. Tesla cars already include powerful computers, artificial intelligence systems, cameras, batteries, electric motors, and autonomous driving technology. According to Musk, Optimus is essentially another form of robot. Instead of 4 wheels, it has 2 legs and 2 arms. However, building a useful humanoid robot requires solving 3 major challenges: advanced hands, real-world artificial intelligence, and mass production. Many robotics companies have created robots that can walk, run, or perform impressive demonstrations. But creating a robot that can safely operate in unpredictable human environments is much more difficult. Tesla's goal is not just to create a machine that looks human. The goal is to build a robot that can actually become useful in homes, factories, and many other industries. Future Optimus versions are expected to include longer battery life, improved movement, better communication abilities, and the ability to complete more complex tasks. Musk has suggested that advanced Optimus robots could eventually prepare meals, clean homes, assist workers, and perform hundreds of different tasks every day. If Tesla succeeds, humanoid robots could become as common as smartphones and personal computers, changing the way people live and work around the world. Beyond household tasks and industrial work, Elon Musk believes Optimus could also transform the healthcare industry. One of his most ambitious predictions is that advanced humanoid robots could eventually assist doctors and perform extremely precise medical procedures. Musk has argued that one of the biggest problems in healthcare is not only technology or funding, but the shortage of highly skilled medical professionals. In the future, highly advanced robots could help expand access to medical care by assisting hospitals and supporting doctors. However, this vision is still a long-term goal. Today, Optimus is not capable of performing real medical procedures, but Tesla believes that continued progress in artificial intelligence, robotics, and precision control could bring these possibilities closer. A humanoid robot will need to operate around people every day, inside homes, workplaces, and public environments. Tesla must ensure that Optimus can understand human actions, avoid dangerous situations, and respond safely if something unexpected happens. Features such as emergency shutdown systems, limits on physical force, advanced sensors, and strong security protections will be essential before robots become common in daily life. Another major concern is privacy and cybersecurity. If millions of robots are connected through artificial intelligence networks, protecting user data and preventing unauthorized access will become extremely important. A robot inside someone's home could potentially collect sensitive information about personal routines, conversations, and private spaces. Because of this, strong security systems will be necessary to protect users. The biggest debate surrounding Optimus, however, is the future of jobs. Many people worry that humanoid robots could replace human workers, especially in repetitive, dangerous, or physically demanding roles. Businesses may choose robots because they can work continuously, improve efficiency, and reduce operating costs. But history shows that new technologies often change jobs rather than completely eliminate them. Previous industrial revolutions replaced some types of work while creating entirely new industries and opportunities. A world filled with robots would also require engineers, programmers, technicians, AI specialists, and maintenance experts to design, operate, and improve these machines. Tesla believes Optimus could free humans from boring and dangerous tasks, allowing people to focus on creativity, innovation, and activities that require human judgment. The competition in humanoid robotics is also becoming intense. Companies in China, the United States, and other countries are developing their own advanced robots. While some competitors have achieved impressive walking and movement demonstrations, Tesla is focusing on creating a robot that can perform useful real-world tasks at massive scale. Tesla's combination of artificial intelligence, vehicle manufacturing experience, battery technology, and large-scale production could give Optimus a unique advantage. The future of humanoid robots is still uncertain, but one thing is clear: robots like Optimus could become one of the most important technologies of the coming decades. Whether they become personal assistants, factory workers, medical helpers, or something completely unexpected, humanoid robots have the potential to change how humans live and work. What do you think about Tesla Optimus? Would you welcome a robot that can cook, clean, and assist you at home, or do you think there are risks we should be concerned about? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates about Tesla, AI, and future technology. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.